Meditation is a tool you can use to manage chronic stress. There are strategies and resources that you can turn to in order to manage chronic stress. One of these strategies is meditation. When you engage in this practice, it helps you relax both mentally and physically. You find relief from the thoughts that might be contributing to the stress because it pulls your attention away from the causes and changes the direction of your thoughts. That's the foundation of most meditation practices. You learn to stop allowing your thoughts to stay on stressful things. And instead, you focus elsewhere, such as on empowering or positive things. Meditation is a way to be in the moment and learn self-awareness. You'll learn how to concentrate as you learn how to cope. When you're under stress, it leads to rising levels of cortisol. You can end up suffering from additional symptoms related to stress, such as inflammation. Click the link to read on.